present Anna and Elsa. And Elsa's my favorite, and Anna I don't really like. So let's just show you these two dolls. Anna is more like princessy. Elsa is more like powerful. And then they say, Elsa, let it go. Do you want to be a snowman? You think we saw ourselves? Let it go. Do you want to be a snowman? Cut, open, cut, open, cut, open, cut, open, cut, open. Okay, that's enough. And today we have a very special news because today we're going to see my sister Marie. Yay! Let's see her now. She's going to be my video YouTube. I present her.
Hi.
Say something.
Angeline's sister.
Okay, she said it's enough. And she's in my video. First time video, she's in my video. Wow, she'll be excited to watch the video because she's in the video. Okay, so excited. Okay, now say something. Do a pose. Okay, she's my sister. And this is her room. What? Look, the big nice cabinet and the, what's it called? A mirror and computer she got. And she is really tired. But let's continue the doll. Okay. Here's Anna and Elsa. They're the most famous movie from Frozen. Very famous show. Everybody almost liked this show. So I think I'm almost done with the show because I show you almost all about the toy. And that is finished. Bye!